Hi, it's Richard here from Sleep Haven. We're at Heyford Cricket Sports and Social Club, and we're just about to do the third part of the process for the deep cleaning at the club. With me today, under the mask here, I've got Rob from Daventry Carpet Cleaning, who assists me on certain projects. And with the deep cleaning, because a lot of them are going to be big jobs, we're going to work together and try and help everybody with their deep cleaning and sanitisation. So as you can see, we're all in our full PPE, respirators, full masking and our fogging equipment. I've not worn one of these since I was in the Gulf, and I can assure you it's bloody hot in here, so we're really going to sweat. Just to recap, we've done all the carpet cleaning, all the carpets have been cleaned in here. Volunteers have been in here over the weekend sanitising all the surfaces, dusting, cleaning and wiping down. They've covered all the electrical points, so that's the second part of the process, and we're now about to do the fogging. I've got my son James on camera who's looking after that type of thing. Once we're working, he will be then outside and he will take some pictures from outside at us looking in and a couple of videos, and you can see what we're all about. Anyway, if we can help you with your deep cleaning or sanitisation, give me or Rob a call on 01327 342 594. Take care.